Hey people YouTube, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing another What's Inside My Jacket video, and I believe this is the 5th one. And let's go. Let me see. Start with the little pocket. I got my daddy's bandana. Yeah, he gave that to me like a couple months before he died. And what's this? Oh, I got my glasses. I think that's off of this pocket. Oh no, what's this? Oh. Yeah. And here comes the big pocket. I should have put more stuff. Like a Pop-Tart. Sit. Some honey barbecue chips. It's gonna be like the shortest What's Inside My Jacket video ever. Some soap. I don't have much either. Ooh. Like Sunkiss. Man, I need to do another water ball challenge. I also want to do the ALS challenge too. Ooh. So, what you gonna call it? Or spray some on me? Oh, strong. What's this? Oh yeah, my tablet. It is RCA, if you can see it. Yeah, I didn't put much in my jacket for this video. I know I could have done more, but I didn't think about it. Plus, it's 7 something in the morning, and today is Thursday, so yeah, just getting ready for school. I thought I might as well do a video while I was getting ready, you know? Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry it was a short video though. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.